Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla dashboard rattles and interior noise complaints and what could be causing them based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, drivers may notice rattling, buzzing, or creaking noises coming from the dashboard or interior trim while driving. These sounds are often more noticeable on rough roads, at specific speeds, during acceleration, or when the cabin temperature changes. Propulsion, steering, and braking systems remain fully operational, but interior noise can affect perceived build quality and driving comfort. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, interior design, assembly tolerances, and operating conditions rather than indicating a universal defect. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves interior trim fitment and fastening. Dashboard panels, air vents, display housings, and surrounding trim are secured using clips, fasteners, and mounting points. Small variations in assembly tolerance or clip seating can allow minor movement, which may produce rattling sounds under vibration. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, road surface, temperature, or driving conditions, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Thermal expansion and contraction have also been reviewed. As a possible contributing factor, interior materials such as plastics and composites can expand and contract with temperature changes. This movement may create intermittent noises as components shift slightly during heating or cooling cycles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Wiring harnesses and internal components are another documented consideration. If wiring, ducts, or internal brackets are positioned close to trim panels, vibration during driving can cause contact noises in some vehicles. Road vibration and chassis input further influence interior noise. Rough pavement, expansion joints, or uneven surfaces can transmit vibrations into the cabin, making minor interior movements more noticeable. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include identifying noise locations through controlled test drives, inspecting trim clips and fasteners, applying approved insulation or padding where appropriate, and ensuring panels are properly seated. If rattles persist or worsen, service inspection is recommended to isolate and address the source. Reviewed information indicates that dashboard rattles and interior noise complaints are not universal and often relate to trim fitment, material behavior, vibration transfer, and environmental conditions rather than a failure of vehicle systems. In conclusion, Tesla dashboard rattles and interior noises are generally linked to interior assembly tolerances, material expansion behavior, and road-induced vibration rather than defects in steering, braking, or propulsion systems. The experience varies by vehicle configuration and conditions, and proper evaluation is required if noise becomes excessive. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.